It was another wild and crazy session, but for the casual observer, it might look like, you know what, there was a non-event, right? But I got to tell you, make no mistake, there's one heck of a tug of war going on beneath the surface. Dow Jones Industrial Average was down as much as 146 points after several rebound attempts, finally finished off only 6 points. Now, the good news is that there's still strong buyers on dips. And now the bad news is now 20,660 has become a significant resistance point on the upside. That anxiety, I think, best reflected in news from the National Federation of Independent Businesses, the small business folks. Their index, it remains near record levels, even as 6 of 10 components edged just slightly lower. But the highlight of the report was their uncertainty index. According to NFIB chief economist Bill Duckelberg, he says that the uncertainty index hit 93 in March, second highest reading in the survey's history. More small business owners are having a difficult time anticipating the factors that affect their businesses, especially government policy. By the way, there's also anxiety in the Apple universe after a report in Europe suggests that the company is working on its own power management chipset. Now, that speculation sent supplier names associated with the company lower. But even after today's declines, I got to tell you, these are still among the biggest winners of 2017. Some of these names you should know, maybe own. Skyworks up 36% this year. Lam Research up 23%. KLA 10 Core up 18%. As for Apple itself, I personally am still holding this stock in my retirement account, and I would be a buyer in any significant dip. The standout sector today was housing, led higher by upscale builder Toll Brothers. I happen to like trends in housing. I think we are starting to see good signs of household formation and folks moving back into the suburbs. That's reemerging. The housing stocks, of course, are still well below their go-go days back in 2005, but many of them are on the cusp of major breakout. So everyone should consider one, maybe two of these stocks for your portfolio. I like Toll. I like Pulte. By the way, after the bell, API crude oil data showed a surprising drawdown, 1.3 million barrels. That's the biggest this year. The EIA report is tomorrow. If it matches, watch for West Texas Intermediate to pop over $55 a barrel. And yes, I'm telling you, that would be good news.